This thing just keeps giving today. It's lovely. Easy. I'm trying to make it up here. Oh, there we go. I think I'm sweating on that one. I've never tried that before. Not in any car. That was a cool line. Lovely. Yeah. I was hoping that rear was going to slide back around. There we go. Now you're good. Yeah. Get carried away there. Oh, okay. Yeah. Just your right diff tube's hitting a little bit. If you can rock it a bit. There you go, there you go, yep. Now that rear's just got to pop up, it's just sort of dangling in the wind. Can you walk it even further up to bring the rear up? Or a bit of wheel speed at the start to get over. Ooh, nearly. Ooh, wheel speed and bomber seem to go well, hey? Oh, up, up, up. Oh, there's that servo working. Wow, it's definitely powering through. Can it bomber up the top? Oh, sorry. Yep. Lovely. Oh, go slower again if you can. Sucks, doesn't it? That one little bounce and it just pops you. Hook that right wheel if you want to, suggestion, into that crevice up there. Nearly, nearly. That's it. Left turn. Yep. There, yeah. So, you know, the magic spot. It's once you get there, it's like, yep, everyone gets up.